Sustainable Development Goals. Important points. In September 2015, the General Assembly of the United Nations adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development that includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Building on the principle of leaving no one behind, the new agenda emphasizes a holistic approach to achieving sustainable development for all. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) to transform our world. Goal 1, No Poverty. Goal 2, Zero Hunger. Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being. Goal 4, Quality Education. Goal 5, Gender Equality. Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Goal 7, Affordable and Clean Energy. Goal 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth. Goal 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. Goal 10, Reduced Inequality. Goal 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Goal 13, Climate Action. Goal 14, Life Below Water. Goal 15, Life on Land. Goal 16, Peace and Justice Strong Institutions. Goal 17, Partnerships to achieve the goal.